Happy birthday, dear Britton. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? You're gonna blow it out. Yay!
Cupcake sandwich.
There you go.
Interesting.
There you go. Pull his head off.
Oh,
No, this
here.
one's for Dylan. You can eat it, Britt.
Here.
Gonna help?
Matt,
To
you
eat.
want
You
your
want to take the
cupcake?
top off? Okay. Eat
Good
that. Good job. That's it. Eat it.
Yeah, we're gonna eat the frosting.
Good job. That is quite the perfect mouthful. Oh my god, that was perfect.
That's fantastic.
You don't have anything to
We got Dylan. He'll have like bright
What,
yellow,
good,
bright orange, and turquoise frosting.
Yeah.
Weird, just all over the place.
No, that was for a second birthday. Yummy. You had the little orange surfboard.
Oh, that's right. I think it was orange.
That's okay. Britton.
Hey, that's pretty good stuff. I like that.
This is the neatest one-year-old I've ever seen.
I agree.
He's a very delicate eater.
Too easy
Britton.
going with it.
Britton. Hey.
All right.
There we go.
There it goes.
Yummy. Do it. Go for the whole head.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
He needs to just lift it up.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
It's like everybody's watching me. Okay. Ready? Britton.
Mommy, I'm
Are you
right.
gonna eat cake?
That's okay.
No.
I heard you like it too.
It's a whistle. Woo woo.
Yeah. You're gonna eat it? He's trying. I love it. Good.
We right on the train.
Fight for Britton. You need some help? Alright, here we go.
Is it yummy?
How does the cake taste, Britt?
Look at
Thank you, guys.
Oh wow, you're getting into that. Oh, does that feel cool? And there it goes.